meditation help us to focus and concentrate. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Let us begin our day with meditation and relaxation. Sit straight, palms on your lap. Relax your shoulders and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your attention on your head. Observe your thoughts. Allow your mind to relax. Breathe in. Bring your attention on your forehead, on your face, on your neck. Breathe out and relax your face. Breathe in and bring your attention on your shoulders, your hands, your chest, your back, your waist, your legs. Breathe out and relax every part of your body. Allow every kind of stress to move out of your body and relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Listen to the music and relax your mind. Rub your palms, gently place them on your eyes, massage your face, and slowly open your eyes. Have a nice day.
Be ready for the school play. Please repeat after me. We are the pupils of Pawar Public School. We are the pupils of Pawar Public School. And we are proud of our school and our teachers. And we are proud of our school and our teachers. We promise to keep our school, home and neighborhood clean. We promise to keep our school, home and neighborhood clean. Thought of the day. Friendship is like the beauty of nature. Nourishes